What if humanity's most profound question, are we alone in the universe, already has an answer? For centuries, we've gazed at the stars, wondering if we're the only ones navigating the vastness of space. But what if the clues to this mystery aren't light years away, hidden in distant galaxies? What if they're much closer, encoded in the delicate balance between a star's warmth and a planet's shadow? This is the story of the Goldilocks Zone, a cosmic sweet spot where life as we know it could thrive. And the secrets we're uncovering there might not only challenge what we know, they could redefine what it means to be human. The Goldilocks Zone is where science meets magic, a place in space where conditions are just right for liquid water, the foundation of life. Picture sitting by a campfire on a cold night. Too close, and you're burned. Too far, and you freeze. Earth sits in the perfect spot, warmed by the sun just enough to nurture oceans, rivers, and the incredible web of life. But here's what's astonishing. Earth isn't unique. Thousands of planets exist in their own Goldilocks zones, scattered like hidden gems across the galaxy. Each one holds the potential for life, or even entire civilizations. Earth's story is just one chapter in a much larger cosmic book. What might we find when we turn the page? For decades, astronomers have scoured the skies, and their discoveries are staggering. Over 5,000 exoplanets, worlds orbiting stars far beyond our solar system, have been identified. But finding a planet isn't enough. To support life, it must sit in the Goldilocks zone, where temperatures allow water to remain liquid. Kepler 452b, often called Earth's cousin, is a tantalizing prospect. This rocky planet orbits a sun-like star in a near-perfect Goldilocks zone. Then there's Proxima Centauri b, just 4.2 light-years away, our closest neighboring planet. Could its surface harbor alien oceans or even primitive life forms? Each new discovery brings us closer to an extraordinary realization: we might not be alone. But being in the Goldilocks zone doesn't guarantee paradise. Venus, for example, sits in our sun's habitable zone, but its surface is a toxic inferno, scorched by a runaway greenhouse effect. Meanwhile, Mars tells a different story. Once warm and wet, it lost its atmosphere and became a frozen desert. These cautionary tales remind us that life requires more than just the right location. A planet also needs a stable atmosphere, a magnetic field to shield it from radiation, and chemical ingredients to build the foundations of life. And yet, even as we perfect our search for Earth-like worlds, the universe could be hiding life in the most unexpected places. Moons like Europa and Titan, orbiting the gas giants of our solar system, are rewriting the rules of habitability. Beneath Europa's icy crust lies a vast ocean, one that might hold alien ecosystems. Titan, with its methane lakes and thick atmosphere, offers another fascinating possibility. Here on Earth, nature's daredevils, extremophiles, are proving that life can exist in the harshest conditions. These microscopic survivors thrive in boiling volcanic pools, under crushing ocean depths, and even in radioactive waste. If life can adapt to such extremes here, what might it look like elsewhere? Could alien organisms flourish in methane seas, sulfurous clouds, or even the vacuum of space? These discoveries remind us that the universe is more diverse and more mysterious than we ever imagined. At its core, the Goldilocks Zone isn't just about finding other worlds. It's about understanding our own. It's a testament to the fragile balance that makes life possible, and a reminder of how precious that balance truly is. By studying planets in these zones, we're not just searching for aliens. We're learning about ourselves, how life begins, how it evolves, and how it might survive the unrelenting forces of the cosmos. Each discovery adds a new piece to the puzzle of existence, a puzzle that stretches across galaxies and billions of years. Our search for life is powered by tools that are as extraordinary as the quest itself. Telescopes like James Webb aren't just instruments, they're humanity's eyes, peering across time and space to find our cosmic kin. These telescopes search for chemical whispers, traces of molecules like oxygen or methane that hint at biological processes. Think of them as invisible footprints, left behind by potential alien ecosystems. Imagine it, a distant planet, shimmering with oceans and clouds. That first image wouldn't just mark a scientific milestone. It would be a moment that redefines what it means to be human. With every passing year, our technology grows more powerful, bringing us closer to finding a true Earth twin. The next decade could be revolutionary, revealing planets so similar to ours that they feel like mirrors of our own world. What would it mean to see ourselves reflected in the stars? Would it unite us in wonder? Would it remind us of the fragility of our planet and the urgency to protect it? These aren't just scientific questions. They're deeply human ones, and they challenge us to dream bigger than ever before. The Goldilocks Zone isn't just a scientific concept, it's a symbol of hope. It reminds us that life, fragile yet resilient, might not be limited to Earth. It's a call to explore, to imagine, and to connect with the vastness of the cosmos. If this journey into the unknown has sparked your imagination, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who dreams of the stars. Together, we can uncover the universe's greatest mysteries and find our place in the cosmos. Subscribe now and be part of the discovery, because the next revelation could change everything, and it starts with us.